Hello from sunny Northern Ireland and welcome back to Thompson TV. Today I am going to be walking you through one of our brand new exciting arrivals, and that is the Rapido 666F. This is actually the 65th anniversary edition, so there is a couple of new features and packs that we will talk about in this video. So I'm sure what you have noticed is the striking metallic paint on the front. So the cab is actually finished in a metallic grey with the 65th anniversary model. We've got colour coded bumpers as well, so it all ties in. It's a real beautiful colour scheme. It's measuring in at 7.49 metres in length, and it's 3.5 tonne, so you can drive it on the standard driving licence. Sleeps 4, and you have 4 seat belts as well. So as you can see, there is a new colour scheme along the side of the vehicle as well. You've got that lovely grey and red finish. You've got the 65th anniversary edition decals along the side, and your alloys really do tie in with this too, with the black and silver two-tone alloys. Making our way to the garage. We've got a huge garage space in here, and we actually have an external shower point with hot and cold water access. At the back we have a reverse camera, and it is built into the dash, which we will see in a little minute. You are really going to stand out on the road as you've got the 65th emblem at the back, and you've also got an upgraded set of cluster lights here with your brake lights and your indicators, and it's nearly like a carbon-y finish, which is new to 2026. Over here is our garage. So as you can see, you have ample space in there for all your outdoor bits and any stuff that you plan to bring with you. That's your shower point there, where you can access your water. So quick overview of the driving experience in your Rapido. We have the select pack up here and the lounge pack, and we also have the keyless pack, so we'll talk you through some of the features. If you want to know which pack distinguishes each feature, just check out the website. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel here with your cruise control and your speed limiter. You've got your voice recognition, electric park brake. You've also got keyless entry as well, so you've little buttons externally. You've got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, your induction charger, and everything you need in that Pioneer touchscreen infotainment system. The main one being your CarPlay and your auto with your DAB radio. So this is our front lounge area, and you're just greeted with ambience and luxury in here. You've got your Palma leather upholstery finish. You've also got the 65th anniversary embroidery on those, so they do really stand out. You've got your nice open plan table, finished off with the Nacarat. You've panoramic sky view. Now, we're not making too much use out of that at the minute with the weather, but if you get a good sunny day, it does let all the natural light come in. So just above the lounge is our electric drop down bed. Now, the lighting is built into this, as well as your gloss cabinetry, so you actually wouldn't even realise it's there whenever it's up for the day. The cupboards come down with the bed, and you also have a speaker built in there as well. Now, just over to the habitation door, we've got a swivel TV bracket which will fit a fairly large TV. Your control panel is just above that. Our heating works off Truma gas and electric, and this button here just beside that is underfloor heating. So into our kitchen area, the cabinetry is finished off in Nacarat. We've got 2-ring gas burner here, and then you also have your sink. There's a 3-pin plug, and then there's a little light for all your ambient lighting. Your cupboards are down below, so you've got huge storage capacity in the 666. Put all your saucepans down there. And there's a good deep cupboard there. There is a button to lock your cabinets, so whenever you're driving, they'll not come out, and it also stops them from making any noise. We've got a 23-litre oven, which is just above your fridge freezer. Now, there is plenty of storage in here, and you actually have a separate freezer box too. So if you do like to bring lots of food on your journeys, this fridge should tick all the boxes. Our bathroom is towards the back, just behind the kitchen, and we've got a huge space in here as well. Your shower is over to the left, so it is of course a separate shower, and then over to the right is our toilet with our sink. Now, you do have sliding doors to close the bedroom off from the bathroom, and then you've got your door to close the lounge off too, so it gives you that bit of privacy. So the 666 has your rear single bed layout over the garage, so you do have the huge garage underneath that. You can make this into a double bed if you like, and you've also got your storage in there for your clothes, and the same at the other side. So this is our double bed that is over the lounge, and it comes down with just the turn of a key. So if you don't like faffing around making up a bed from the lounge, this is fixed, and it's just above with minimal effort. So that was a walk through our Rapido 666F 65th anniversary edition. All of our 2026 stock is arriving, so come on down, it'd be great to meet some of you, and if you enjoy our videos, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. You can give us a call on 028 92 69 3999, or you can send me an email. It's Charlotte at Thompson Leisure.